Guys, my name's Mitchell Shafter, and today we are doing a bike check on this rig, aka the Whip. So first off, I'll go around the back. First off, we have got the box bars, taken off the box sticker because, just felt like it. Next, we're running the thicker ODI Vans grips. Amazing grip ever, like when it's wet in Melbourne, or when it's always wet. Not like Queensland, how it's so sunny up there, like when you saw in my edit. Then going down to my box, my box brakes. It's so good. These brakes, they're amazing. It's amazing brakes ever. Going down to my number plate. It is a custom made. My sponsors, Oxley Cycles, plate with my the box back on it because it looks great. Then we've got round 2 from Frankston, when you guys saw in my vlog. Running down, we have got the 1.75 V-rubber white wheels, so very good. Oh, pardon. Hitting it down here, got the box forks, the X2s, very good, had them for a while. Oversized, what is it? Quick release, some shit like that. Then we're running the box wheel set, so the box hubs and rims, so very good rim. I have enjoyed them. We have got our transponder, a very good time-lapping shit ever. Have to put this in the vlog. I have my Richmond 2017 Premiership thing, so my brake cable doesn't rub against my frame. We have got the DK Silver with Sparkles 3XL frame. Just got these new cleats, aka clips, because what you guys say in America is different to us. I got the HT T1 clip in black and silver clip pedals. Haven't tried them out yet, but heard really good reviews on them. Heading down, got the Gold Pro Max cranks 175s. We'll be doing a bit of a next edit. Will be making these chrome, leaving the front bit gold, and yeah, so make my crank silver. It's gonna look cool. And then got the box front gearing. I'm running a 42 gearing at the front, so it makes it heavy and keeps my legs going, so I'm not going like. And then running the chain. I don't know well, it's good. The box name in there. Then I'm running the box back brake. It's very good. Don't have any of that disc brake crap yet. Never want it. Moving the bike down. Totally different back set. Still the 175 V-rubber white tyres, but I'm running an MV back rim and a Supercross hub. Very good, very nice. Very quiet. I love a bike quiet, it's really good. Then yeah, got all that. Got the box See? Very good. Oh god, I nearly forgot. I'm running this Box Stem Pro Max headset. I have to run. Fucking hell, Dylan. So I need to make my headset bigger, like so I have it out, so it has the big one at the bottom, small one at the top, and then that as well, so my bike doesn't creak and start having a spaz like it does. So yeah guys, that's the end of my bike check today. You know guys, remember to like and sub on this new bike check. So we'll get this sorted, edited by today or tomorrow. And guys, if you do want to see more, like I've got my downhill bike over here. So over here, if you guys want to see some downhill or some mountain bike videos, we will go and do some at maybe I'll the Pines because they're really good there. Great action there. Or if you want to see more vlogs or like a day of life, all that stuff. If you guys want to see me do a bit more of a vlogging, let me know because I want to know what you guys want me to do. Like I'm going to start vlogging more and do more uploads. So stay tuned guys. Next vlog is going to be powder coating my cranks. So we'll see you guys there.